Hey guys, as it suddenly started raining here in UAE, I thought why not to share with you all my tips and tricks to protect our family from those bacterial and viral infections that spreads all around when the weather changes. Changes in weather are basically challenges to our mucoskeletal system and our immune system. Our body is used to a certain temperature, and when things changes suddenly, it requires some time to try to adapt to the new temperature. When there is a rapid drop in temperature combined with rain, and as the rainwater hits to the ground, it elevates the bacteria and viruses up into the air, and these bacteria and viruses that causes cough, cold or influenza to us spreads easily and survives longer in the cold weather. While the cold weather is not directly responsible to make us sick, but yes, it weakens our immune system and it provides favorable conditions for the viruses and bacteria to grow and multiply. Exposure to these viruses might make us sick as our immune system is already weak. Let me share with you few tips and tricks that I follow for the initial 2 to 3 days when the weather is changing to protect myself and my kids from the bacterial and viral infection. As the temperature drops or it starts raining, try to stay indoor to avoid exposure to viruses and bacteria. Avoid sending young kids to park or school because these are the places where they meet with others and they might come to the contact of viruses and bacteria. Keep the windows and balcony open to have good air circulation in your house, and that will also change your in-house temperature slowly, because when the surrounding temperature changes slowly and not suddenly, then our body also gets enough time to adapt to the new temperature. Let me quickly tell you what I do to adapt to the changing temperature. Day 1, I'll keep the windows and balcony open, and I will also try to spend some time in the balcony when it is not raining too heavily or it is not too windy. For sure, I will avoid going out of the house. It was raining heavily some time back, but now it is drizzling and it is little windy too. So I opened my windows and balcony, and my kids skipped going to the school today. These are my twins boys. They are 5-year-old and they are so happy they don't have to go to school today, and they are sitting and watching TV. On the day 2, I'll keep the windows and balcony open and spend more time in balcony even if it is raining too heavily or it is too windy. I may go out in the park when there are less people, but kids may miss the school if it is raining heavily or the weather is extremely cold, as kids' immune system is weaker than others. 2 days are enough for the body to adapt to the temperature, and 3rd day I will definitely send the kids to school with proper clothes and layering according to the temperature. I will also start going out usually to all the crowded places such as park, mall or anywhere else without bothering about the bacteria or the virus. So, what about the virus or bacteria that are still here in the environment? Yes, they are still here, but as my body got enough time to adapt to the changing temperature, now my immune system is not weak anymore, and even if I come to the contact of virus or bacteria, my immune system is strong enough to fight with that. Keep your house clean and free of dust particles by your regular cleaning brush or preferably a vacuum cleaner. But I will suggest you to avoid using your regular mop as it leaves the floor wet, and wet or moist surface helps the germs or viruses to grow and multiply. But yes, if you have a steam mop at home, then definitely go ahead, use this, as The steam kills the germs and it won't leave the floor wet for long. Avoiding bathing may be a good idea for 1 or 2 days in case of toddlers or young kids, or you are feeling low or weak, or there is extreme drop in temperature. As bathing again reduces body temperature and our body is already struggling to balance it. Talking about diet, drink plenty of water and other liquids. Water will keep you hydrated, help you regulate your body temperature, and also flush toxins and circulate nutrients better. Fight cold with a strong and healthy cold fighting diet. Include fresh vegetables, soups, and natural immunity boosters like ginger, garlic, turmeric in your diet. Feed yourself with healthy and easily digestible food, as being indoors might reduce your physical movement. Try to spend some time on physical exercise such as walking, running, yoga, zumba or dance, as exercise improves the blood flow, your body temperature, and also opens your nasal passage and gives you some relief in case of nasal congestion. Exercise also helps to improve immunity. Exercise for kids can be some indoor games that makes them move around or run around the house. At my home, it is hide and seek or just enacting some nursery rhymes. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Share this with your family and friends. And if you have any thought, your comments, your questions, your queries, please write them to me in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel to stay connected to me. See you again in the next video. Till then, stay happy.